In a closed-door meeting at Harvard University on Tuesday, nearly 150 scientists got together to organize the Human Synthetic.Genome.Project. These days, when Harvard isn't organizing black masses for its students, it's holding Bilderberg-like meetings to create a totally synthetic human genome. Their goal is to artificially synthesize all 3 billion base pairs or chemical letters in the human genome. Unlike the original Human Genome Project, whose purpose was to read the entire genome, this project, the Synthetic.Human.Genome.Project, will Frankenstein into reality a transgenic human. This process, of course, will require gutting out a human embryo and replacing it with synthetic DNA. Not only will this pave the way for rolling out synthetic humans off the assembly line, it will pave the way for human cloning as well as chimera hybrids of all shapes and sizes. Flying pigs may soon become a reality, ladies and gentlemen, and with gene drive technology, they could have the code built in to force their synthetic genome onto subsequent generations. Clones breeding clones to naturally weed out the population. This will be a pivotal component to the post-human agenda. Since these future clones and transgenic humans will have little choice but to implement the plans of their originating laboratory, sooner rather than later, we will see transgenic humans born with cognitive augmentation, half man, half machine, able to upload to the communications grid and ready to download their orders for extermination. And if they can do this to humans and animals today, imagine what they're about to do to the food supply. They're already making glow-in-the-dark plants that can auto-photosynthesize. They're preparing for a dark planet, ladies and gentlemen, where global dimming comes to fruition, where a Google disk blocks out the sun and where you have to pay for natural light. They'll put a meter in your FEMA districts for sunshine consumption in the future. It won't be a carbon tax, it'll be a global cooling tax. You'll have to pay for sunlight, you'll have to pay for purified air, and of course, this is after they replace all the jobs with autonomous machines. This isn't a dream from far away in the future. You can already order a synthetic girlfriend today and it'll call you master. You can already retain a synthetic AI lawyer, and you can already find your replacement in factories today throughout the world. Terminators are coming. Synthetic humans are coming. Drone wars are coming. And clone wars are almost here. This truly is the last stand. This truly is Generation Z, and you are the resistance.
The Declaration of Independence states, whenever any form of government becomes destructive to its own ends, it is the right of the people to abolish it.